Yes, sir.
Yes.
It is visible, sir.
Yes, sir, clear.
Fine. Okay. Data types. Python data types, two types. Fundamental data types, collection data types. Fundamental data types and collection data types. Fundamental data types means object to holding single value. Object to holding single value. Means, for example, whenever you say x equal to 10, no need to define the data types in Python, right? Whenever you say x as 10, a object gets created. Internally, one object gets created with some value. The address is given to x. Object to holding single value. Object to holding single value. Object holding single value, right? Yes. Collection data type, object to holding group of values. Object to holding group of values or multiple values. The name itself saying, right? Collection of values, group of values. Example of collection data type. X equal to list of values or group of values, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Here x to x only one value assigned. Here group of values assigned. Here also one object gets created for x, but here multiple values are stored. Here only single value in that fundamental type. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It's going to occupy some address. The address is given to x. So here object to holding group of values, object to holding group of values, object to holding group of values. Object holding single value, fundamental data type. Object holding group of values, collection data type, right? Yes. Fundamental data types are of 5 types. Fundamental data types are of 5 types. Integer, float, boolean, boolean we say, string, complex. Integer, age 25. Float, something like height 6.4, right? Something in float values. Boolean, which returns either true or false. String, sequence collection of characters. City equal to Hyderabad, right? So multiple characters. In general mathematics, complex number x plus iy, but in Python instead of I we will use j. So we'll be discussing about this in brief. And collection data types, 4 types. 4 types of collections. List, tuple, set, dictionary. List, right? List represented by using squared bracket, tuple by using normal braces. See how simple the Python syntax is, right? By seeing the braces itself, you should identify what type collection it is. Is it a list, tuple, set? Dictionary also curly bracket, but a key and a value format. So example of this list, x equal to squared bracket 10, 20, 30. List of values. Example of tuple, see the braces. Just see the braces and try to identify what type of collection. Example, z equal to curly bracket 10, 20, 30. Now w equal to, see, observe this dictionary. P equal to dictionary. Name Ajay. Age 25. So this is name key value. Key value. Key value representations, right? Key and value representations. Name Ajay. Age 25. Key value, key and value representations. Key value representations, right? Yes. So list square bracket, tuple, normal bracket, set curly bracket, dictionary, collection of key and value formats, right? Yes. So discuss about fundamental data types, right? Lot of discussion on string, string indexing, string slicing, string functions, string methods, and string special characters, right? Yes. Yeah. Fundamental data types. So in Python, no need to use the data types, right? No need to specify the data types. Directly, I can say x as 10, y as 4.5, z as some string, CLLO, right? Yes. P equal to a Boolean value, true. Now try to answer. Print x comma type of x. Type of x will be what type?
Int.
Int. So dynamic data types in Python, right? Python supports dynamic data types. What value you are assigning to x? What value you are assigning to x means integer value. So the type of x is integer variable created. Print x means 10. Type of x is integer. Print y means 4.5. It prints. Type of y is what type?
Float.
Float type. As you assign float value, float variable going to get created dynamically. Z and type of Z.
String.
String type, right? Yes. Yeah. Print P and type of P, Boolean type. Print W and type of W. Yes, save it. .py, right. Run module. 10 integer, 4.5 float, string, Boolean, complex. 1 second. Fundamental data types, what value you are assigning, based on the value assigned, the variables are going to get created dynamically. So more discussion on string, I said. Yes. String. A string is a sequence collection of characters. A string is a sequence collection of characters. In Python, a string is represented using single quote in this manner, right? Double quote, double quote, yes. Triple quote. Single quote, double quote, and triple quote. A string is represented using single, double, and triple quotes. Single and double quotes for single line string, triple quote for multi-line string, right? Triple quote is for multi-line string, single and double quote for single line string. So each character of a string is identified accessed by a unique index. String supports two types of indexes. String supports two types of indexes. Forward index. String supports two types of indexes, forward index or positive index, we say. Backward index or negative index. Forward index or positive, backward index or negative index, right? Yes. Forward index or positive index starts from left to right. Yes. The indexing starts from left to right. Starts with 0. Backward index or negative index starts from right to left. Starts with -1. To understand this indexing, just observe this diagram, right? Yes. I'm taking a string, for example, Python Python. Internally, one object gets created. Python 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Forward index or positive index. -1, -2, -3. -4, -5, and -6. Backward index or negative index. Forward index or positive, backward index or negative. Here, forward index or positive index, backward index or negative index. This address is given to X. So starts from left to right, forward index or positive. Backward index or negative starts from right to left. Okay, forward index positive, backward index or negative. Next. So for example, x of 2, x is the string. X of 2 value is what? Yes, try to answer. X of 2 is what? What is the character? T, right? X of -2.
0.
Oh,
Oh,
right.
oh.
Right. Yes. So either you can go with the positive index or negative index for accessing a particular character, but you may ask, already we got positive index, why again negative index required? Means if you got a very big string of 70 or more than 70 characters, right? I want to print the last character using positive index. Can anyone say how to print the last character using positive index? It's little time taking, but if you go for negative index, if you go for negative indexing, right, x of -1 returns the last character. This be in mute. Ram Chaudhary. Okay. Yes. So each character of a string identified or accessed by a unique index. String supports 2 types of indexes. So multi-line, this single line comment in Python, but multiple lines if you want to comment, start with triple quote, end with triple quote. That's it. So x equal to Python Python, right? X equal to Python print x, print a type of x, id of x, print x, print type of x, print id of x. Len of x, number of characters within the string. How many? 6 characters, right? 6 characters. Len of x is 6, type of x is string type, address where exactly it is stored, and y equal to programming. Y equal to programming, right? Yes, print x plus y. Print x plus y means right. We call this as concatenation. I'm writing a comment here, nothing but concatenation means adding two string, adding two strings. Adding two strings, first string followed by second string, right? Yes. Run module. 6 number of characters within the string len indicates, right? Python programming, Python plus programming, adding two strings, first string followed by second string, but I want space between Python and programming. Add three strings there. Between Python and programming, add one more string, space. Python space programming. The output is like Python programming, right? Yes. Okay. Next is like string slicing. String slicing, extracting particular portion of a string. Extracting particular portion of a string. Extracting particular portion of a string, right? String slicing. Okay, observe this. X equal to Python program. I'm taking back Python program, right? Yes. Extract only Python from this. Extract only Python. Everyone try to give responses now. Yes. X equal to extract Python means print using positive index. You try to say first. Start with 0. Yes. 0 to
5, right?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to provide 6 here. 0 is the lower bound, 6 is the upper bound, right? 0 is the lower bound, 6 is the upper bound. So here always I'm writing a comment. Why I've taken 6 means always upper bound is excluded. Always upper bound is excluded means up to 5 only it takes. If you are excluded means you won't get n, understand? So always upper bound is up to 5 only it considers. I want to extract the middle portion of the string. Try to answer for this. Extract only this PROG, only these 4 characters. PROG. I want only these 4 characters. How to? Yes.
710 x square bracket.
711. 8
Yes.
to 11.
711.
711, right? 7 to 11. Yes. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start with 7 you want, 8 you want, 9 you want, 10 you want. say 11 exclude up to 7 to 10 it considers, right? Yes. Run module, right? PROG, you got right? Yes. If I slice in the opposite way, everyone try to answer for this. Yes, 11 to 7. You can give your responses through chart panel or through voice, right? Unmute yourself and you can give your response or through short panel. Okay. 7 to 11 means PROG, but 11 to 7, what is the output?
Error.
We'll have to give reverse equal to true.
Yes. Empty string, it prints empty string.
Okay.
Why it prints empty string? Because
Because it's a positive string.
always slicing will be in the forward direction only. You cannot, if you go in backward direction, it gives empty string. Means if you say Python, you should going in forward. PROG, you are going in forward program. But anytime if you are going 11 to 7, 11 to 7 means you are going like this, right? Backward. So empty string, because always slicing in the forward direction. If you go in backward direction, it gives empty string. Yes. Now try to answer extract PROG using negative index. Extract PROG using negative index. Everyone try to answer.
Minus 4 to minus 1.
Print X of yes.
Minus 4.
-4.
-4 to -7.
That's it.
-4 is wrong.
-7 to -3.
Yeah, -7 to -3. Using negative index also, you should go in forward direction only. -7 to -3. Okay. So using a negative index also, you should go in -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. -7 you want, -6 you want, -5 you want, -4 you want, up to -3. -3 excluded, up to -4 it takes, right? Yes. -7 you want, -6 you want, -5 you want, -4 you want. Give -3, right? -3 excludes.
Sir, in the Python program, the space is considered or not considered, sir?
Yes,
For counting?
even space also will take index, right?
Okay.
Even space also will have index. Next, observe this entire, extract the entire word program now. You're right. Extract entire word program. PROGRAM, right? Entire program. Yes. Try to just say using positive index first. X of yes, using positive index.
7 to 14.
7, okay. 7,
14.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
14.
14 index not available. Can I take
Oh.
14 here? Is it valid if I take 14? Index not available.
No,
So
sir,
yes,
13,
yes,
sir.
13.
it's valid. If I give 13, M will be excluded. So if I give 14 excluded up to 13 only you are considering, right? Up to 13 only it is accessing, right? Yes. So it's valid.
Without keeping anything, we can keep square bracket. So it
Yes,
will
yes.
take the last.
So here 7 to 14 is valid because 14 you are not accessing, right? Yes, excluded. I'm getting sounds, please be mute. So if you got any background noise, you can give your response through chart panel, right? You can type your response in the chart. 7 to 14, right? 7 to 14 excluded. Up to 13 only it will consider. You will get the word program. See the output of the previous ones. -7 to -3 PROG when previously empty string, because always slicing in the forward direction. If you go backward, you will get empty string. Next, using negative. Okay, otherwise, as you said, print x of 7 you can give, upper bound don't provide. If you're not giving the upper bound, by default it reads from the 7th to end of the string. From 7th to end of the string, entire thing it is going to read.
Okay.
Program, you get what? Program. Okay. Now extract program using negative index. Anyone? Extract program using negative indexing, right? X of
-7 to minus
yeah, -7 to
-4.
-1.
-1 means m will be excluded, right?
Or we can leave it empty.
Yes, we can leave it empty. That's it. So here -1, -2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. -7 to this everything you means, right? I'm leaving it empty. Is it valid if I do like this? If I ignore this lower bound up to 6, right? Yes.
Will give empty string.
It will take 0 there. Instead of
Lower bound 6 means it will read by default, it reads from the start index to 6. Start index to 6 means similar to this, right? Python. It prints what? Python, right? Yes. If I won't provide both lower and upper, what is that?
Starting to ending.
Starting to ending, right? Entire string gets printed. Similar to print x, right? Similar to print x of 0 to remaining. The last 3 statements results the same output. These 3 statements results the same output, right?
Yes.
Python program, right? Yes. Okay. Now, print x of 0:14:2. What is this? Only see 0 to 14 with a increment of 2, with a step of 2 means 0 index, 2 index, 4 index, 6 index, 8 index, 10 index, 12 index. It is going to read only those indexes. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, right? Yes. 0 means what? P.
P.
2 means T. O space DURGA. Only the
Okay.
even indexed characters only will be, means
The-
not all the characters,
The alternate.
every alternate characters see upset. PTORGA.
Okay.
Print x of colon 2. What is the output you get? It doesn't mean that you compulsory you need to use space here. Without space also it works, right? You don't need to use spaces here. Space here. Here colon 2 means what is the output?
Same output.
Same output like the previous one.
Same. Yes.
Yes. Now print x colon minus 1. X colon minus 1, right? So nothing but reverses the elements, right? Reverses the elements of a string. Minus 1, right? It's a minus 1. Observe this, reverses the string. That just you can say reverses the string. PYTHON PROGRAM, right? Yes. For example, what do you mean? So there is a technical term like palindrome. What do you mean by palindrome, right? If we reverse a string, we need to get the same string.
Same string.
Yes.
Then it is a palindrome, right? Yes. Example of palindrome, any?
Uh,
Mom.
Still,
yes.
Hmm?
Same from both the sides.
yes. MOM. TAD.
Yes.
Madam.
MADAM, right? MADAM, madam, right? If you reverse also, you should get the same thing. Malayalam, right?
Yes.
Malayalam, if you reverse also, you will get the same thing, right? Yes.
POP.
POP, pop, you are saying. Okay. For example, if you take x equal to MADAM, madam, print x prints that as it is, right? First. Now, if I reverse it, x colon minus 1 means reversing a string, store that result in
Yes.
y, store the result in y, and print y. What is the output you get? Print y.
Add.
Madam.
Same. X and y are both same, right? If x content equal to y content, say madam, right? Yes. So we don't need to write huge codings in Python, right? We don't need to write huge codings in Python, right? Absolutely. We have got many inbuilt methods, inbuilt Python methods available for performing various tasks and operations. For example, string methods. String methods. Please be in mute. Okay. What are the various string methods? First one, upper. To print in uppercase. X equal to a string I'm taking Hyderabad, right? Hyderabad. I want to print Hyderabad in uppercase. I want to print this in uppercase, right? Yes.
Print of upper of X.
X dot upper. It prints in uppercase. X dot upper. It prints in uppercase. Save it. Run module. Hyderabad in uppercase, right? Yes. Lower, right? Yes, to print in lowercase. To print in lowercase. X equal to Mumbai. It is in upper. I want to print in lower. X dot lower. That's it. It prints in lowercase. Run module.
X dot.
Yes, X dot. 1 second. X dot lower, right? Yes. For example, I want output like this. See that X equal to India. I want only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases only. Only the first character I only in the uppercase. How can I do this? Yes. X dot capitalize. X dot capitalize. Just observe this output. Only the first character only appears in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases, right? Yes. Only I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. Capitalize method. Okay. So what is that method? Capitalize. for capitalizing the first character. For capitalizing the first character of a string. Only the first character only appears in uppercase, right? Remaining all in the lower cases. Fourth, right? Next one. Observe this next one, right? So title, right? Is title, right? To capitalize the first character, to capitalize the first character of each word. Okay, so for example, x equal to good morning Hyderabad, right? Good morning Hyderabad. So I want, how many words are there in this, right? How many words? 3 words, right? Each and every word first character I want in uppercase. Each and every word first character I want in uppercase. Observe once, print it. If I say capitalize, only G appears in uppercase. So say title, right? Yes. Title is, now check each and every word appearing in uppercase or not. G in uppercase, M in uppercase, H in uppercase. To capitalize the first character of each word in a string. To capitalize the first character of each word in a string, right? Good morning. For example, you may ask where it is useful. Means employees details are there. Employees details like Rahul, Ajay, Blake, Miller, James, Rohit. In this way, some 100 names are there. 100 employee names. Each and every employee name, first character in the uppercase I want. Each and every employee name, first character I want in uppercase. Print emps dot title, right? That's it. Each and every employee name, first character in the uppercase. Rahul, Ajay, Blake, Miller, James, Rohit, right? Yes. For example, swap case. For converting one case to another case. For converting one case to another case. Print x dot swap case. X dot swap case, right? Run module. Good morning, Hyderabad. If it is in lowercase, it converts to uppercase. If it is in upper, converts to lowercase, right? So in this way, we have got methods like a replace method, replace, right? For replacing a portion of a string. For replacing a portion of a string. Yes, for example, x equal to, I'm taking a string saying like Java is easy. Print x dot replace. X dot replace, right? Yes. Replace what? Java with Python, right? Yes. Replacing Java with Python. We'll get the output like Python is easy. Okay. Next, observe this. See, Java is easy and Java is simple. I'm saying Java is easy and Java is simple. Will it replace each and every occurrence of Java with Python or only the first occurrence of Java? Yeah. Every occurrence of Java will be replaced with Python. So Python is easy and Python is simple. That is the output you get, right? Yes. So in this way, we have got many methods. Count method is there, find method is there, strip method is there, split method, join method, starts with, ends with. So many methods are there. We don't need to write huge codings in Python. Still, we have got more discussion on string, right? String slicing we have discussed, but string, this methods, string functions, string special characters. We have got string, these are string methods. Still, we have got string functions and string special characters, right? Yes. So okay, from tomorrow the link will be changing, right? So if you want to, you need to enroll with this course, right? To get that link, the link will be forwarded to your mail IDs. So those who have already got the enrollment process, right? So don't forget to forward the screenshot of the payment to the mail ID, right? That is given in the chart panel. You can see that payment process in the procedure in the chart panel, right? Yes. You can also see the demo videos link forwarded by this online team, right? What are the videos we discussed up to, right? Yesterday's previous class. And next you will be getting the videos in the Google Drive, right? Yes, you will be getting the recorded video of every session, right, to your Google Drive. Every one folder that access will be given to you, that is the link will be given every day. One video will be added into that folder. Notes you will be getting from regular basis, right, to your mail IDs. You can see that payment in process, and also you can make a note of this contact details of the online team in the case of if you have not got any link or any other, right? Yes, it's a fee structure for Python is just it's 5,000, and for the total full stack the fees is 9,000, right? Which includes UI technologies and Django, all this, right? Yes. Yeah, notes also you'll be getting, right? Yes, this whatever I'm typing, all this. So with example notes, like everything you'll be getting to your mail IDs. Topic wise, you'll be getting the notes, right? Yes. Yeah, any more queries, right? Anyone? So sessions will be like interactive sessions. You'll be responding for whatever statements I'll be typing, and assignments and tasks also will be provided topic wise. Notes will be provided. Soft copy of the material I said, right? And videos in regular basis. You'll be getting the recorded video, right? It's only viewable, not downloadable. Videos is only You can view it, but you cannot download it, right? Yes. Yes. So yeah.
So for the practice purpose,
Yes, yes. So what is it, Ram Chaudhary? Yes, for Python full course. Yeah, but it's a okay. So if you want to only Python, it's the fee structure is 5, but total full stack Python full stack total Python core advanced. If you go UI technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, along with the Django framework, right, of Python, it's 9K the fees, but actually it's offer batch just provided for 9,000. Yes, 2 to 2.5 months duration for this Python, and for total full stack it will be 4 months if you go one after the other. But if you go parallelly, you can complete. If you go parallelly both Python and Django, you can go with 2.5 to 3 months, right? Yes. Okay. Yes, as the last one project will be discussed, right? Yes.
So one more last doubt for me, sir.
Mhm.
Yeah, actually, I had a 5 years of career gap. So can I go for a job with a full stack developer by taking this course
Yes, yes.
as an
So,
experienced guy of for 2 to 3 years?
so here, what the knowledge that I'm providing is a typical 4+ years a real-time employee, how much, what is the knowledge that knowledge I'm going to provide here in this course, right? So you mean
Okay.
that you'll be getting a 4+ years or 5+ years of experienced guy, what knowledge you will have, that knowledge I'm going to provide you, right? So nearly 20 applications creations you'll be doing parallelly along with me, right? For web development applications, I'll make you do applications, 20 applications step by step, you will be doing parallel along with me. Application 1, application 2, 3. After doing those applications, right, first 2, 3 applications, okay, something new will be, but remaining from 4th, 5 application onwards, right, you'll see the same steps. First 5, 6 steps will be same. So you'll be doing along with me wherever the installations are there. The other things I'll be asking you to do parallel along with me, like database. I'll show you one database installation, connecting with databases, different types of modules, right, related to different domains, and also this applications creations, right? Yes.
Sir, one more doubt regarding the payment, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, actually, the mail which I register for this demo class is different, and the mail which I need to get the forward class is different, sir. Then how I need to forward for this?
So okay, uh, so if you are forwarding the link, the screenshot.
Not like that, sir. Not
No,
like
no,
that.
no, no.
Actually, for demo,
You can take that. What is that contact details of this? Right? You can just you can just give a call and say that, right? It's not a problem.
okay, sir. Actually, for demo classes, I registered with a different mail. But for the upcoming classes, now
Hmm.
I will create a separate mail for this, sir. So I will give that mail to the your team.
Okay,
So I
you
need
can,
the classes for that mail.
so if you are sending the screenshot from that only, right? From to that mail only you will be getting.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So today by evening, everyone, you will be getting that link, right? Yes. Today by evening, those who have already paid, right? So yes, Monica Reddy, at the end of the course, will you get a certificate of the, yes, you will be getting the certificate of completion from DURGASOFT, right? Yes. Yeah.
hello.
Yes.
One question. So actually, I am also planning to join AWS. So after how many days I can join AWS, because AWS needs some kind of Python also, right?
Hmm.
Like after 1 month, I'm able to join AWS as well. with the
Yes, you
Python.
can. If you have got time, you can go parallel. It's not a problem. Uh, but after 15 days, 20 days of completion of Python, you can go. It's will be the better choice, right?
Because they told at least we need some kind of Python.
Yes, 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 yes. After 15-20 days of Python, you can just register for it. By the time they will be discussing the basics, right? By the time this Python core gets completed. Okay, fine. So, and also I said there will be a WhatsApp group for this batch. For every batch, I'll be creating a WhatsApp group, so you can have direct interaction with me, right? Yes. So I'm stopping for now. If you're done with your queries, right, and we'll meet tomorrow's, right, same time, same. Okay, the link is going to change.
Sir, please share the payment link, sir.
So everything is posted in the chart panel, right, by the online team. You can see in that in the chart panel, right? You can see in that demo videos link, demo videos links also provided, and also the payment process and procedure. A big message you have got, right, where you can see their contact details, their mode of payments, other things, right? And even you can make a note of their contact. You can copy the entire message, right? So their contact details, other things, everything. If any problem, you can just contact them.
The demo classes are also added to the drive, sir.
Yes, everything gets added.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, I had joined at 7:30, sir. Before 7:30, you provided that links, but now the links are not available in the chart. Will you please once again forward the payment links, sir, if it is possible?
Okay, yes, 1 second. Yes.
Oh, thank you, sir.
And the demo videos link also I'm forwarding, right? That is videos. Okay, fine. I'm stopping for now. We'll
Sir,
continue
can I
tomorrow.
send the screenshot to the same number?
What is it?
Payment status.
Screenshot you need to forward to that mail ID, right? durgasoftonlinetraining@gmail.com. They have given clearly, right?
Okay.
durgasoftonlinetraining@gmail.com. You are supposed to forward to that mail ID. Okay, fine. If anything is there, you can also communicate with the team, right? Yes.
Okay, sure.